Behind every wisp of fragrance, there is a quantum entanglement that cannot be replicated. Like Petrarch intruding into Laura's yard. Night descends, I shall be a spirit beneath the stars. Invite you to participate in a magnificent feast, tracing the footsteps of time and space. It's the deep yearning in dreams. It's the soul of dancing in poetry. At this time slows down, and the soul dances with the shadow of lights. The soul ripples in the depths. Every time the memory touches the strings. The intoxication in a goblet and the words of a Petrarch, or utter the secret love words of time and space.